Hey guys, so hold on, let me just situate everything. Okay, that's a little bit better. So hey guys, in today's video, Nickelodeon, yeah, okay. Hey guys, what's up? So today's video is going to be an unboxing video. I actually have two packages. I'm filming these on two very separate days, mostly because one package came today. The other package doesn't come for another 2 days, so Thursday. So yeah, I'm just trying to cross out information on this box. And if you see like a random like number, this basically says that's like 415 at any point in this video. That's just because is the package number that they do packages by numbers when I receive packages here at school. So it's just the numbering system. So yeah. So I have received my Sephora play box. I just crossed out the name and stuff because don't need that getting out. I have opened it a little bit, but I have to finish opening. Okay. So this, like always, is the box. We open it, and as always, it's the same sort of layout. Like this is always on top. Oh, it's got a pumpkin on it. It's got a little pumpkin on it, and I actually have to use this next month when I go into store. I say next month because I get my birthday present next month. Woo, 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 woo. So yeah, that's currently where my knife is at. So I'm just taking all this stuff off, and then we can read more about this month's play box. So this one, so the inside of this box says show off and share your hashtag Sephora play. Now let me tell you guys a little something. This box went out for shipment the 12th of October. It is currently October 23rd. So it's been over a week that I've patiently been waiting this box. I think it's because I switched the location that it's going to be delivered to. So I think that's probably why. Which, I mean, that's fine because it's not that big of a deal. But yeah, I'm just going to get right into it. So this is last minute looks for Halloween. So there's some last minute looks for Halloween, and then it's on the inside it says Scary Good Beauty. So it's got 6 products in it. We have one. How many of these are skincare? All but one are skincare. And fun fact, well, all but 2 are skincare. And fun fact, I currently have one of these products. So if you guys have seen one of my other videos, you'll have seen this product, and I got that product this month as well. So I'm in crush with this guy, and it's amazing. So yeah. If you guys want to see a full range of all my skincare products, leave a comment down below, and I will be sure to make that video for you all. Actually, it may be next week's video. Maybe. So yeah, let's just get right into it. So it comes in this, so this isn't in a zip, but it comes in this like a little bag that's like open because it wouldn't zip, but you know what, and we're just gonna start pulling stuff out. So first things first is the month bonus. This is the YSL Mon Paris perfume. And it is a florally perfume with notes of red berry, pear, and peony. So that's gonna be, oh my god, they changed their packaging. But yeah, so it's just a little, like, one of those little, like, perfume samples. So, here's that going for me. I got no perfume. Next. Oh gosh. Oh, this is a weird packaging. Okay. This is the Bare Minerals Gen Nude Patent Lip Color. And I guess it's good. It's called Good for Skin Nudes, made for every skin tone. So that's something. So this is in everything, this color. So let's see. Oh, and it's actually a color that I love to wear. Look at the ooh, and it smells good. So yeah. It's also very like hefty, I'm noticing, which is really strange for a lipstick too. Like a liquid lipstick too, which is what that is next. I have, ooh, the Urban Decay All Nighter Long Lasting Setting Spray, up to 16 hours away. This, I've been wanting to try it, but like I obviously don't want to spend the money for a full thing. A 70, oh god, how do I get it out? I do it that way, okay. Oh my gosh, this is like, but like a lot of this packaging is heavy this month, and it's actually Urban Decay by Scandinavia. So, and Scandinavia setting sprays I hear are really good. So like, I have a couple events coming up that I'm going to, that will probably be really nice for. So yeah, I hear piano playing. Next is, once again, the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser for all skin types, and it's rich in amino acids, and this stuff is amazing. Let me tell you guys, I used it well before I got the Tenna skincare product, which if you have seen last week's video, you'll know a lot more about that, and yeah, and you'll be getting more information about that in this video as well, because that is the other thing I'm waiting for for this month. So yes, the next thing is the Pore Refiner Primer by Dr. Bandit. And it's just a little bottle. I actually have a lot of primers. Let me show you guys mine. Let me. Oh, I don't have a lot, but I have quite a few. So I have this one by Tarte, which is the Quench. I have the Too Faced Hangover one. These are all like samples too. This is the Peter Thomas Roth Skin to Die For, which I absolutely love this primer. It's amazing. I have the Professional one by Benefit, and now I have this guy. So I have a lot of primers to choose from, which is great. Next is, oh, it's a little damaged. This is the Makeup Forever Skin Vent 24-Hour Coverage in Y205. So this is a full coverage liquid foundation. I don't know what that was. Okay, and so this is just what it looks like. I'm actually gonna have to test this because just like on the back of my hand, because I like sometimes it's like not the right color and stuff. Okay, it's not like terrible. You guys can see it. It's like a little too light, which I have a problem. It's either too light or too dark for me. So if it's too light, once it's too late, that's fine. I'm able to correct that easily, hands down. I've actually never used anything by Makeup Forever, so I'm really excited to try that. And that is all that is in this month's box. I'm not actually going to remove so I'm not just gonna, I'm gonna take everything out of these packages, mostly because it is a little, they are a little big and stuff, but these does, oh, ready? This is how you apply a setting spray. You hold it 8 to 10 inches away from your face, mist 2 to 4 times in an X and a T formation. Seems a little aggressive, but whatever, I'll do it, because, you know. I'm willing. But I already put setting spray on today, so. And I am just gonna put them back into the bag as nicely as I can. Next. Actually, I do want to put this guy on, so we're going to. This YSL stuff I'm gonna leave in the package because I'm always scared with like the perfumes and stuff that they're going to like break. I don't know why, because it's not a glass bottle, it's plastic. I hate how they put it in French first. It's like I'm English and my first language is English. But yeah, so that's on the inside of most of these they tell you about it. So yeah, you know, that's really nice. And it does say it's a 24-hour coverage foundation. And of course, at the end of this video, I am gonna put the full list of like prices and stuff for all of these products, like the full size. Let me just grab a mirror. It is a little like thick, and it currently has the texture of like lip gloss. It does have a lacquer-like finish though. I've never used lacquer-like finishes. I've only ever used the matte. But I mean, other than the fact that it's a different like finish than I would normally use, it is a really good product. And my lips won't dry out because, you know, it's not matte. I'm just gonna take it out. Yeah. So there's that. And I hope you all. So there's that, and now we're going. I'm gonna wait for the next 2 days, and obviously it's gonna be like 2 seconds for you guys. But I'm gonna wait for the other extra riot so I can do a unboxing for that, because the last one when I got it the first time around, I just kind of ripped into it and I didn't even videotape it, which was stupid of me. But yeah, I will see y'all very shortly, but you know what I mean. So yeah, we're gonna wait for that other package to come, and well, you're gonna wait like 2 seconds. I'm gonna wait like 2 days. But yeah, and we're gonna unbox that one. Bye. Pressing out my dress. I got my second package of Genie skincare, and so I'm about to open it for y'all. So yeah, let's just get into it. I've got my key already. Got a rip into this box. So I did buy a second one. I do still have some left in my first one. My friends think I'm crazy, but you know what? It was worth it. Because this, I love. So, this is a clarity cleanser, and I bought a second one. So, don't judge me. And that one I never took in the unboxing. So, this is the unboxing. So, it's just open. Oh, I opened it the wrong way. Oops. Alright, well. look. It's the packaging. If you're looking at packaging, honestly, we don't need to look at it. But in here is this little box, which has, obviously, as it says, Clarity Facial Cleanser. And I'm just going to use the same key. Actually, not enough of you guys around so you can see this at like the entirety because I'm using my phone because I don't have my camera on, so give me a second. Okay, so 1, hopefully it's recording. 2, hopefully y'all can see me. So ready. So up here it says Tenna by BeautyChickee, and then there's this stuff. And so we're gonna go with this card first. That has it, and so it says, "Hey Chickies, thank you for purchasing your Tenna Clarity Cleanser. I hope you enjoy your pink bubbles and clear skin as much as I do, because after all, your goal is my glow." And it's signed, and yeah, it's great. It's going up. It's going up here, right underneath my other one. Yeah, and then I get a sheet of stickers. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these stickers because I put the other ones on my laptop. So I may put some of these on my mirror. Yes. And then the product itself rested on a bed of noodles, like paper noodles, paper worms. It's the Clarity Cleanser in its entirety, and it's there's no words other than the fact that it's so beautiful, and I love it. And it's like safety sealed, and I'm not opening it because I don't need to. Yeah. And it's just it's amazing, and I love it. And yeah. So yeah, of course, down below I'll leave the link to where I reviewed the product, so you guys can check that out because that was last week's video. And yeah, you can learn more about it there, and I will leave the link to where you can buy this down below as well. Fair warning, it is sold out currently, and I don't know when it will be up next, when it will be a restock. So yeah, be sure to check out the link down below as where you can get it, as well as the benefits for it for your skin. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't subscribed already, what are you doing? Please subscribe. I make new videos every Wednesday, or try to make have new videos up every Wednesday. Doesn't always happen. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see y'all next time with another video. Bye.
It's hard to act like I don't think about you sometimes. I should